Hello guys, how to fix pinball file system blue screen of death error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. The pinball file system is linked to the RAM and appears when there is low or no non-paged pool memory. It is usually due to a problematic RAM module, third-party application or a malfunctioning peripheral. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is check your memory, Windows memory. To check Windows memory, go to Windows search and type Windows Memory Diagnostic Tools and open Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool to check your computer for memory problems and choose Restart Now and check for problems recommended option. It will check your memory problems and fix them accordingly. The second workaround is right click on Start button, choose Device Manager and update Display Adapter Driver. Go to display adapter sections, expand it and right click on your display adapter driver and also other problematic drivers. If you find with yellow exclamation marks, right click on it and choose update driver and choose search automatically for drivers. The next workaround is any problematic app may be a cause of this BSoD error. So go to press bin plus R shortcut key to open run command and type appwiz.cpl and it will open all your programs software installed in your system. Here look for recently installed apps which causes problem. Simply right click on it and choose uninstall app and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, restore your system to previous state when it is good. Press RSTRUEI in run command box. It will open system restore windows, restore system files and settings. Click on next. Here choose a system restore point. Restore your computer in the state it was in before and click on next and finally confirm your restore point. Click on finish and again confirm your system restoration process. Click on yes.